Hi everyone and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. In this video I'm attempting a drawing of Darth Vader, and I actually couldn't believe that I'd never attempted a drawing of Darth Vader before. I just found that really surprising. In terms of this drawing I decided to use greyboard, and my reason for this is because thinking about the style of drawing, knowing that I was going to place lots of dark shading, I felt like having a grey background would be a good way for me to really make sure the highlights stood out as much as possible. I wanted to rely on the highlights to actually add detail to this drawing, thinking about the processes, adding the dark shading first and then building up the highlights on top of that. So in terms of the supplies I used on top of this, I was using mainly Copic markers, specifically a black marker along with cool grey 3, 5 and 7. Then for the highlighting I was using a mixture of a Uni-Ball white ink pen and a white GellyRoll pen and a white Prismacolor pencil. So lots of options in terms of the highlighting. Using the white GellyRoll pen for some of the fine outlines, then using the Uni-Ball white ink pen for some really bright, thick outlines, and then using the white Prismacolor pencil for some of the really fine details. Along with that, I was also using a Pigmamicron 01 to sharpen up some of the lines and just keeping the shapes nice and smooth. Then I was also using a light cerulean blue Prismacolor pencil to add a hint of colour. It was just really fun to work through a drawing like this, something that's a bit more intricate, and I really enjoyed the process. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. As a final touch to this drawing, I made sure to add a comic panel, and then after that this drawing was completed, and overall it took about 5 hours to complete, and it really was super fun to work on, trying something a bit different. It was definitely much more of a challenge in terms of kind of figuring out the different methods that I was going to try and use, and I really loved working on this, so please let me know what you think, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you'd like to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.